Situated close to the amenities of Woolton Village, this 3-bedroom detached property has a driveway to the fore providing off-road parking. The front garden is mostly laid to lawn, and the property also has an attached garage. Internally, the accommodation includes an entrance hall and a lounge which has a bay window and a fitted gas fire. Open plan to the lounge is a dining room which offers laminate wood flooring and glazed doors that overlooks the rear. Fitted with a range of base and wall units, the kitchen is equipped with a built-in oven, a hob and an extractor hood. There is a separate utility area with part-tiled walls that also provides access to the garden. Heading upstairs to the first floor, a landing leads to the 3 bedrooms. A family bathroom with a heated towel rail completes the gas centrally heated and double glazed accommodation on offer. Externally, the rear garden affords a lawn, a patio area, fenced boundaries and a shed. To find out more or to arrange a viewing, call Whitegates without delay.